Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and that's Tiffany right there. And we are actually at National Mustang Day, Tiff.
Yes.
Yeah, unfortunately there's only a few Fox bodies here, but we're at Fox Resto. They were gonna go ahead and put on events. There's supposed to be a cruise today and all that, but what were they scared of, Tiff?
They're scared of the rain.
Yeah, they have people.
Or at least the threat of rain.
Right.
It's not even raining.
It's not even raining, right? I mean, look at this. It's actually pretty gorgeous, really. I mean, it's a little overcast, but guys, because of rain, I don't know. I don't even know if this video will make it, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna try to film something. Matt's cars are all out there, parked, swap. We'll see what happens, but who knows? Maybe it'll be fun. We're trying to make it fun. Okay, check it out, guys. The sun came out, and we got a few Fox bodies here. Not a lot. We got a few. So we got a few people that were not scared of getting their Foxes out. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at these. And we also have a cruise today. That's gonna be a lot of fun. So yeah, let's get into it. Who paint their car blue? All right, so yeah, like I said, a few showed up, but out here we do have FoxBody Boneyard, but they're having a parts swap today. So look, you got Greg there from Altered Fox. He's brought some parts. What'd you bring, man? What are you selling over here?
All kinds of stuff. Anybody need a door, transmission, valve covers, all kinds of interior parts.
Yeah, actually, I need a door, I think.
There you go.
Maybe I should, let's make a deal. We're on Let's Make a Deal, right?
Heck yeah, I'll sell it to you right now.
All right. Hold on, we'll be right back now. Oh, you got Cobra valve covers, okay. New old stock, nice, because that is a part of it. You can bring the, you sold a lot of stuff here at the part swap, haven't you? In the past, like?
A few things, you know.
Do you usually more buy stuff?
Yeah, I usually buy stuff.
That's like all of us, right? That's what we do. Oh, you got a trans too yourself? Is it just T5?
T5,
Yeah, okay. Probably needs to be rebuilt, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Okay, you do have some interior parts.
Yeah, it goes in every gear. I was using it.
All right, well, anyway, I'm gonna let Greg make a deal, but I may come back to him for that door. I do need one for Nemesis. Also got some wheels out here for sale. These are kind of nice. Cobra R's all cleaned up. Now guys, these are harder to find now. These mid pipes, long tube headers, like he says, are 351. So they do these meets. They used to do them kind of every month, once a month. I got to talk to Jen and find out what the schedule is for these going forward. But like I said, lots of parts. Got intake manifold over here. Ooh, a cluster. There you go. It's got your 140 mile per hour cluster. Some interior parts. So yeah, and then Matt's doing some stuff over here. I don't know what he's up to. Of course, old green truck is over there, along with the GT project we're doing. So if you haven't watched the channel in a while, we still have this GT hatch that Matt and I bought together. We are gonna be building this thing. In fact, the engine is in the shop. So the engine is currently being rebuilt. The engine is being rebuilt by Adam at Kannapolis Engines, of course, and we're gonna have all the details on that car coming soon. These are all customer cars out here. So these are either customer cars or cars owned by Matt. Matt owns most of these over here, and I believe the customer cars are mainly right over there, as well as inside. Guys, Matt picked up another one, and I don't know, I guess we need a full video, but what's up?
Jen's the one buying the cars, not me.
Oh, okay, Jen found this one?
Yeah,
So if you want him to buy your Fox body, don't hit up Matt, hit up Jen at foxresto.com. But was it originally a Bimini Blue? Bimini Blue? Whatever you saw.
Mini?
He must watch the videos.
Yes, Bimini right here. See?
It was originally, okay.
Yes. I think it's a VX paint code.
We all knew that. And it's a coupe. It's a 4-cylinder, right?
Yes, it is a 4-cylinder automatic. That will get fixed.
That'll get fixed, he says.
K3 paint code, I believe.
K3 paint code.
Yep.
Nice. So just another little project.
Yeah, I plan on either fixing this one up and auctioning it, or somebody can buy it and pay me to build it for them.
Okay. So you're still, yeah, on the fence exactly what you're gonna do with it, but.
Right. Yep.
Okay. So the 2.3, you said it was actually rebuilt recently, huh?
Look, there's his birthday. Looks like July 27th.
Hey, that's my wedding anniversary.
July, is that a 7?
VIN tags.
92.
Hmm.
So that is.
You know, this is good for gas mileage right now.
That is actually 92. This is built in the last month, the last 3 or 4 days of the 92 production.
Oh wow, yeah, because they switched over in August, right?
Yeah. 8 would be beginning of the 93 year.
93 is pretty cool. Does it run?
Yeah, I don't have the keys on me, but
Okay.
it runs and drives no problem.
Wow.
Yeah, like I said, the engine was rebuilt, I think just like a year or two ago. So if anybody wants a 2.3 with an automatic, this thing's coming out.
Parts at foxresto.com. Send them an email, make them an offer. Oh, you got a lot of parts inside too with it, seems like.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
I
cool.
got a bunch of extra parts. Got an excellent set of titanium panels. The guy just reupholstered the seats.
Oh, he's got the Mustang Owners Museum on here.
It doesn't appear to have ever been in an accident.
Yeah, it looks really straight.
Yep.
Looks like a good solid platform, so seems like it could be another nemesis for somebody.
There you go. There you go, exactly. Not for me.
It's not for him. You got enough already, Matt. Guys, one of the cool things about these meetups is you get to see some new cars you haven't seen before, and you get to talk to some people and get some stories on the cars. And I already had this one in the time lapse, but I was just talking to the owner a little bit. It's an 85. Oh yeah, by the way, what's your name? Sorry.
Trip Rockwell.
Trip. All right, Trip. You rescued this, and this is your son. You and your son, right?
Son Tyler, yes.
Tyler. So you guys are doing this project together.
Absolutely.
You're local. I guess you're local to Charlotte, or used to be. You went to UNC Charlotte, you said?
Yeah, I went to UNC Charlotte. I live about an hour from here.
Okay. All right, but that's what's cool. The first thing you told me about this car was you actually drove it back in, I guess, I don't know when it's new or early 90s?
90s, yeah.
Well, you're at UNCC. Your
Yeah.
roommate owned this car.
My roommate owned this car, yeah. My roommate Gene, and fell in love with the car back then. I had an older Mustang. He had this, and I had an old square top Bronco, and we would trade off. I would drive this, and he would drive my Bronco.
He'd drive the Bronco.
Never dreaming that I would ever own it, but opportunity came knocking. So
Yeah.
I had to jump.
Well, this is another cool part of the story, guys. He was just telling me he had somebody offer to buy it, and what'd they say they were going to do to it? I love this part.
It pains me to say it.
I know, that's what I got to tell the people.
Yeah, they were going to put an LS in it and
Oh,
gut
man.
it and use it as a drag car. But
Cut it up,
yeah,
tub it out, right?
So, and thank you, Gene, for not doing that. Gene's the one that kept it. So
See, Gene was very smart, and he said no to that, and then he let his friend have it.
that's right.
All right, and so you guys literally drug it out there because it sat for 12 years. What, brakes were all locked up, gas tank?
Oh, it came out from under the
Yeah.
carport and it didn't want to. But
Was it tough getting it out of there, Tyler?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we got a video of it, and it's,
Do you?
it's actually quite fun.
Okay.
I got pictures of it when we first picked it up.
Actually green. It was so carbon.
I bet it was. The wiring harness, you know, like you
Bad.
got, yeah, you still bad, but you guys drove it an hour and 15 minutes here today.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, they're gonna drive it home, and hopefully they make it. You know what? I'll put it up on screen here if they didn't. So.
Yeah. We're on the side of the road. Y'all stop and pick us up.
Yeah, well, this is gonna go up too late, but that's really cool that you saved this one. And yeah, 85 GT, and looks like you guys are gonna have fun with it. So,
sir.
you want to drive it to high school one day?
He let me drive it to graduation.
There you go. You got something to look forward to. Cool. Thanks for sharing it,
Yeah,
man.
man. Thank you.
Guys, the weather's gotten even better. Even better, we got Sam here, Dead Rice on Instagram. By the way, guys, blow up his Instagram if you're not following already. He actually works at Fox Resto. Be sure you call him, give him a hard time. No, don't call him, but give him a hard time. Sam, you got this car. I didn't recognize it was Peaches. But it's
Yeah.
Peaches. What you been doing, man?
Well, I've spent the past 2 days, need a little makeover for National Mustang Day.
Yeah.
Peaches went through a full polish, a compound polishing, and then actually got ceramic coated the past
Just
2
in
days.
ceramic coated. Because I don't know if camera's gonna do it justice, but it really is much deeper, darker than she was originally.
Yeah, so what the issue was, Peaches had like what I call dead skin. So over time, paint dries out. It produces this layer of like hazy material that's basically, it's dried skin. It's like how your skin, if you don't moisturize it and all that, it dries out and
Okay, so what you're saying is that Tiffany, for her skin moisturizing, she needs some ceramic coating on it.
Well, not ceramic, but just generally, that's what happens to paint when it's unprotected.
Sorry, he was trying to be serious.
No,
I'll make it a
no,
joke. Anyway,
it's
go
all
ahead.
good. But that's what happens when you don't protect paint over a long period of time. There's a mirror finish now, so
Yeah, it looks good. Like let's step back, let the sunlight hit it, and
yeah, like I mean, there's you can actually see your face clearly in here. You always can get a shine on paint. It's the clarity that is the big thing about.
Well, you know
this.
what the problem is here, though, Sam, is they're probably going to say that we're biased. You know, me and you. So let's get a third-party opinion.
Yeah,
Hold on, let's see. But get over here, Tiffany. What are you doing? All right, so Tiffany, a long time ago, you actually took Peaches home. Do you remember that?
I do.
We made it look like you bought her and got a bunch of, we almost got 10,000 views. That was guys,
fun.
that's what's known as clickbait, and sometimes I do it. But what do you think? Give us your impressions of Peaches here. 'Cause
Actually,
you've
at
driven her.
first, I didn't realize that was Peaches.
You thought it was a different car?
It was a different car because, yeah, it almost looks like you repainted her.
Yeah.
In a sense, like.
Well, he got rid of the outer crusty layer, right?
Crusty layer.
That's amazing.
It's
Like
when
I
you get
didn't
dry skin.
know. I
Yeah,
had no
so
clue.
we're gonna set up moisturizing with ceramic coating for you. And
Are you saying I'm ashy? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
no, actually, if anybody needs it, I probably do. But no, I just wanted to highlight this.
I don't want to get between that two. That's trouble.
You actually do this though as a side business too, right?
Yeah, so that's what I've been doing it for professionally for about a year and a half, 2 years now. I've been detailing, cars just for, people for about 5 years.
And somebody wants that, can they reach out to you? What's the best way?
Yeah, work in Rutherton primarily, so the Tri-City area of Rutherton, Forest City, and Spindale. I will travel just a little bit for Charlotte and Asheville areas, depending on the clientele. Like I do full service, so full wash, all the way to the compound, polishing and ceramic coating.
And how can they reach you?
Instagram really is if you DM me on Instagram, that's the best way.
All right, well that sounds good.
Yeah.
So cool, well I just wanted to highlight that because Peaches, she is looking good. A little more sunshine, few more rides showed up, guys. Look at these other Foxes. Of course we had an SN95 sneak in here. Bert's had the top down now, and we had this T-top car show up in here. And the paint on this T-top, the paint is ridiculous. Okay guys, you hear him crank it up. We are getting ready to go on the cruise. I told you guys there was a cruise coming. Everybody's getting in their FoxBodies, tops are down, and hopefully we gonna get dumped on. That could be fun. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead, cruise up to Mora Mountain, and nothing like cruising with a bunch of FoxBodies. All right guys, we made it. Check it out. Cruise up to Mora Mountain. All the FoxBodies parked right here. Maybe we'll let Tiffany drive home. She did a good job getting the footage there. But yeah, we got them all lined up. This is beautiful scenery out here up in the mountains. It was just about like a 20 mile cruise, no big deal. Everybody's out here taking pictures. It's been a lot of fun today. Really, anybody that did not make it, if you guys were worried about the rain, you missed out today because it's been a lot of fun. I did not catch this coupe earlier, I don't think. Man, thing is nice. And of course, even the SN95 already lost. Spoiled the party. But yeah, guys, this has been really a lot of fun today. Go ahead, I want to show you the view here real quick. I didn't even know this was here, actually. I had no idea. But yeah, this was a fun one, National Mustang Day, and I think Jen's gonna host another, you know what? Let me ask her, let's ask her. Did get a hold of Jen, and the next one of these is, they're looking at August sometime, guys, because May is Chocolate Fox, June is Carlisle, July is Mustang Week. I will be at that, so next one like this should be August. And we got this guy right here. What are you doing, man?
I don't know.
Bring the grandpa bird out?
I did.
Yeah, we gotta get this Honda Pilot out of the way. But we have some breaking news here. Breaking news live, guys. Hold on, I need my stunt double. All right, Tiffany, you're looking good in the Gearhead shirt as well. Please also show the back. There we go. Got the signature tagline. Harris, you're pointing it out. Why is that?
Because I designed it.
There you go. Cat's out of the bag, guys. Harris Lou designed these new shirts. Thank you, man. I love them. I love them. They look awesome. They're very collegiate.
Absolutely.
We were just talking about it. That's probably why Carolina beat Duke, because you designed this.
I think I cursed myself. A known Duke fan.
Yeah, but they came out great though.
Great game. I mean, you know, at least Coach K, his last game was against UNC. We won't talk about how it finished, but his final game of his career was against his biggest rival.
Yeah,
so.
that's pretty cool. But they were even telling me,
spin on
like, you did some extra touches on this. What did you do? You're telling us about it. Something about the color?
So the colors and the actual Argyle are like pretty much the official UNC Argyle.
Those that don't know what Argyle is, that is the kind of this design and stuff up there.
Yeah, right under here.
Yes.
Right on the shorts. That's where the boys wear them.
Yeah,
on
so
the shorts.
if you wanted to get the official Jordan shorts and some Jordan 1s in the university colorway, you'd have a perfect outfit to go along with this shirt.
And this would go well.
And you look really cool at any car show or event you pulled up to.
Absolutely. So with that, guys, if you want one, you got to let me know, because Chocolate Fox is coming up, and I don't know if I'm going to buy more unless they comment that they're coming and they're going to buy some.
Run them up.
Well, cool, man. You also, one other big thing, you've gone out on your own now, I understand.
Well, not on my own. It's me and Emily. Which
Okay, that's right.
She's over here enjoying
Emily.
the views.
Yep. So this is together. You guys are what? What's the name of
Our
the?
Lou Creative.
Lou Creative.
So,
Okay.
Yep. I'm Harris Luce. Emily Butler. We're both.
They know you guys on the channel.
creative director gurus. So if you need t-shirts, social media marketing, whatever for your business, company, for your car, hit us up and let us know.
Yeah. How do they reach out to you?
We're on Instagram at Lou Creative. They can go to loucreative.com and go to our contact us page. Send us an inquiry, what you want, what you need, when you need it by, and we'll see what we can do for you.
Is there a link off the Shop Lou Creative page as well, or no?
There is. Shop Lou Creative. You can go to our main website from there. While you're there, pick up a FoxBody themed or Mustang themed shirt.
Absolutely.
Or a Lou Creative shirt. And
Yeah. You got something on the back of this one?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. So he's got all his, you see what kind of designs he can do again right here on Tiff and then on me. So if you want something like that, he can design it for you. If you just want to buy cool shirts, you put them out. I remember you had like Vert Live, Vert Gang. I don't know if things
yeah,
are
we still
left.
got Vert Gang. We
Okay.
still got all of our designs up. I think we're up to 15, 20
Wow.
designs, something like that.
All right.
But with all the variations, because there's 3 versions of the 93 Cobra shirt.
Right.
So.
Now, how can they get 10% off? Do you remember?
Yeah, it's code Gearhead704.
Right. That's still valid, right?
It's still valid.
Okay, good. I didn't know. So if you want cool FoxBody stuff, check him out.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it, man. I love the design.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, wrapping up here. Awesome day, National Mustang Day, FoxBody style. We know we have always FoxBody content for you guys here on the channel, and I had a great time hanging out with everybody today. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 1 time a week, every Wednesday. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704.
Thanks for the bloopers.
Bloopers. Bloopers.
Yeah. So, high talking, blah, 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 blooper.
Love the blooper.
All the bloopers.
So the engine is currently being rebuilt by Canapolis Latham. Who is Canapolis Latham? Let me try that again.